Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can invite your coworkers and team members to join you on working on your tasks on monday.com. So let us get started and show you how to do it. Head over to monday.com, access your workspace on the left panel, and below that also your projects. Let me go with that one. And here to the right, you will see a list of all of your ongoing tasks. So you may create, for example, new tasks. And after that, simply customize it. Or if you have already done it, guys, let me go with one of these already created tasks, like task number 2. So simply left click into it here, and that is going to open up that window on the right panel. So here you may customize and edit your task. For example, describe it, mention someone here in the description, attach files to it, leave task descriptions, and so on and so forth. And invite new team members by clicking on that button here. And after that, simply invite a new member, for example, via email by clicking on that button here, and simply type in the email address of the given user to join you to that or join that task. For example, an external who you would like to convert or turn into a team member here and work with him or her on your task. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and let's see you next time on our channel.